Hello friends, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Here are my recommendations to trade the news for the week starting Monday the 27th of April until Friday the 1st of May. On Monday the 27th there are no news, and on Tuesday we have nothing really special except at 3 p.m. we have the US CV consumer confidence, which is expected to come out at 90.1 as against 120.0. Now, if it comes out above 130, you can buy the US dollar. If it comes out below 80, sell US dollar. Then on Wednesday early morning at 2:30, we have the Australian CPI Consumer Price Index quarterly, and it's expected to be 0.2%, much less than last time. It was 0.7%. If it comes out at 0.8% or more, then you need to buy the Australian dollar. If it comes out below 0%, then you need to sell Australian dollar. And then you have at 1:30 p.m. London time, you have the US GDP coming out. It's a quarterly one coming out at 1:30 p.m. and is expected to be minus 3.9% as against 2.1% previous month. If it comes out more than 3%, then you need to buy US dollar. If it comes out minus 5% or lower, then you need to sell the US dollar. Then at 7 p.m. you have the FOMC statement. Now this you can hear on the Bloomberg radio. What are they stating? What are they saying? But keep an eye on the interest rate. The interest rate is expected to remain the same as 0.25% as against the same 0.2% last month. If the interest rate goes down to 0.1% or less, then you need to sell US dollar. If the interest rate goes to 0.5%, then you need to buy the US dollar. Then again at 7 p.m. you have the FOMC press conference. Now what they're going to say in the press conference, we don't know yet. So listen to the Bloomberg radio and then act accordingly. Then on Thursday, the 30th of April, you have the European Monetary Policy Statement. This again you can hear on the Bloomberg radio. We have no figures for that, so I cannot recommend anything. At 1:30 p.m. you have the Canadian GDP. It's expected to come at 0.0% and is against 0.1% last month. If it comes out like 0.3% or above, then you need to buy Canadian dollar. If it comes out in minus figure, then you need to sell the Canadian dollar. And then you have also at 1:30 p.m. you have the unemployment claims from United States. So the previous month it was 4 million and nearly 4.5 million unemployment claims. It's expected that it would go down to 3 million, 3.5 million. If it goes to 5 million or more, then you need to sell the US dollar. If the claim drops to less than 3 million, say about 2.5 million, then you need to buy the US dollar. Other than that, there is nothing special. On Friday at 3 p.m. we have the US ISM manufacturing PMI, which is expected at 36.7 as against 49.1. If it comes above 50, then you need to buy the US dollar. If it comes out less than, say, 25 only then sell the US dollar. Other than that, there's nothing special. So wish you all the best. Take care. Bye-bye.